Hi, my name is Rosemary. I'm owner and operator of Hands of Life by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. I wanted to tell you a few things about using sage in your home. Sage is great for clearing germs out of your living space. It also is a great way to clear your energy field if you have stuck energies from being around people that are negative or if you've been in a crowded place. One of the things you can do very easily is you take some white sage, which I sell. You can also get it online. You can take the white sage, put it inside a shell or container, fireproof container, and you light it. And then you waft the smoke over your body with intention to clear off your energy field. Then you walk around the room, and at all the corners of the room, all the way around, including closets, you waft the smoke into those areas. Usually you use intention before you sage. So my intention might be to uplift the room, to clear it, to honor the ancestors, whatever it is that you want to say to clear your space. I do sell sage kits, and I give you a healing prayer that you can use and give you full directions for how to use the sage, the shell, the feather, and so forth. And I also design the feathers and the shells uh, for you. So sage helps to clear out germs. It clears out stuck energies from spaces, and it generally makes the room feel a little bit lighter. If you bring a new object into the home, for instance, let's say you're at an antique store and you bring in an old chair. Before I put anything in my living space, I sage it. It helps to remove the excess energies that it's collected from the last owner. So sage is a wonderful thing to do. If you want to find out more or you have a question, you could email me at info@rosemaryd.com, or you can go to my website, rosemaryd.com, Hands of Life by Rosemary LLC, located in New Jersey. You might also find some wonderful self-study courses, information, videos, and other things that may interest you. I also do sessions, virtual and in person. If I don't know you or you're far away, sometimes I'll do a virtual first. But if you'd like to schedule something with me, please check my website. Have a wonderful day.